Hey babes, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Casey, anything different? Yes, I am tanned. Thank you for noticing. No, of course I have a new hair color. No, just kidding. I have a wig on. Duh. But actually, I feel like it could be my natural because this used to be my hair color and pretty much my length. Okay, I'm not gonna flash you guys, but like it's super long and I used to have super long like silver hair. This is not really silver, but kind of. But yeah, this video is not about the hair, but I actually put this wig on because I wanted to look a little bit more soft and with my natural current hair color. Nothing can be soft because it is outrageously colored. It's like neon if you didn't know. And I wanted to look soft because we are doing a first impression on the Anastasia Beverly Hills new eyeshadow palette Soft Glam. I asked you guys on my second channel, I think, in a vlog when I opened the package, if you would like to see it, and like 99% of you wanted to see it. And I also asked you guys on Instagram and 99% of you wanted to see it. So here I am making a tutorial on it, and I absolutely love the look that I created. And I love it with my hair and with my new tan and also with this beret and this new coat that I just got. I think it's so cute. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you'd like to see how I created this makeup look and also what I thought about the products, then just keep watching. Alright, so before we do anything, I will just clip my wig out of my face because it's really annoying. It's just so much hair. Okay, now for some reason I think I look old. I don't really know how to work with these wigs. Oh well. I will take off my fake piercing because I'm just trying it out. I know that I've been saying that I should get a septum piercing for so long. But I don't know, I just don't think it really works with my Medusa for some reason. So I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Perfect Peach foundation that I did a first impression on, and I absolutely love this foundation. I think it looks so nice, although I have it in a too dark shade, so I think that it could work for me right now. I've been using this quite a lot, even though it's not the right shade. So the way that I like to use it is I put quite a lot on because it's a lightweight foundation, and then I'm just gonna use my crystal brush, the flat one from Neve Cosmetics, my favorite one for foundation, and I'm just gonna buff it in. And this is 100% the best way to apply this foundation. With a sponge, it just looks weird and it gives no coverage at all, I think. I did receive like loads of clothes today, and I have it in a vlog that will be up on my second channel. For example, I got this coat that I really like. So yeah, check out my second channel if you wanna see all of that. And to conceal, I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Naked Skin in Light Warm, which is normally way too dark for me, but I'm so self-tanned right now, so... And I'm also going to highlight a little bit with this. Do I look old in this wig? I'm just so confused right now. Before I started filming, I thought I was so cute in it. I'm actually going to use the Smoothing Primer from Makeup Store. This is the first time that I'm using it. It should be like a powder that you can use before foundation, or before your base and afterwards. And sure, I guess it blurred my skin, but I actually think I liked it before better. But it's probably just because this foundation gives such a nice glow, and now that kind of disappeared. This is the new powder bronzers. They come in, I think, 6 shades. At least I got the 6 shades. And this one is the shade called Rosewood. It looks just like the Tree Brows. No, what am I saying? Trio blushes, obviously. I have only swatched this, and I will now use it on my face. And I just want to quickly mention also, this one is a matte bronzer, but I did notice that like this one, for example, it's called Rich Amber, and it has like a hint of shimmer in it. Really nice. Just so you guys know that not all of them are 100% matte. Let's use the bronze and contour a little bit. I think I will try and do. I really do look like an old lady, don't I? Okay, so this is with and without bronzer. I really like it. It's really easy to blend. It doesn't look ashy or like muddy on your skin. And even though I haven't really powdered right here, it still blends really nice. And then for some blush, and this is the blush trio in Pool Party. And as you guys can see, hopefully, they look the same. It's like the same packaging as the bronzer. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the shade Cash. And then for my latest favorite highlighter, it's the Urban Decay Kristen Leanne collaboration. The one in the middle, I love so much. I think it's so cute. I'm also going to use some on my chin, Cupid's bow, and nose. Now it is time for brows. Oh my god, I just poked myself in the eye. Help. And because I have a new hair color at the moment, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. lock-on liner and a brow cream in a light brown. And I'm gonna put on my favorite channel. I was gonna say, no, my new favorite song. Okay, so the brows are done, and now it's time for the eyeshadow palette. Woo, 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 woo. I'm so excited about it. I still have it in the packaging because I haven't tried it yet. I haven't even swatched it, I think. So freaking nice. And I love the shade range. It's such a nice neutral palette. I want to do something quite natural because, well, soft is the right word for it. I want to do something soft. So I think I will go in first with the shade Dusty Rose. It's this Dusty Rose shade. And I'm going to use it in my crease. I'm actually using the brush that came in the palette. And they work. The Cypress Umber. Let's see if I can swatch it. It's like is it just a dark brown? Like a dark brown. I think it has like a hint of something. And I'm just gonna use it on the same brush and use it a little bit more. Still in the crease, but work it inwards into the lid. I have to say, I think that this eyeshadow palette is, as all eyeshadow palettes from Anastasia Beverly Hills, are very pigmented. And as you guys know, if you've seen all of my other videos from using the palettes, I think I've done all of them, but as you guys know then, if you've seen those videos, I like all of the palettes, love the Subculture, love the Prism, but something that all of these have in common, which I don't feel is a con, personally, but they are very powdery. Like I just dipped into this shade, and I hope you guys can see, but it's like a lot of, maybe not fallout, I don't want to call it, but it did like, I don't know, it's a very powdery shadow, but I think that is why it's so pigmented. But yeah, that is totally a fact with these shadows, but I don't see it as a con, but just so you guys know. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the shade Dusty Rose again and blend this a little bit more. And now I'm thinking I'm gonna swatch Rose Pink and Sultry. They did not really swatch the way I thought it would. Sultry looks a lot more like a brown with a hint of pink, and Rose Pink looks a little bit darker swatched, I think, than in the pan. Okay, it's the opposite side, but you guys see what I mean, right? So I think that I will actually go in with Rose Pink, and I will use it on my lid. Like, this is what I mean. Like, sure, they are a little bit powdery, but they are so pigmented, and they like stay on the brush so well. Like, I haven't really gotten any fallout. I'm really tempted to use the shade Sultry also. So let's just use that on the sides a little bit to blend it into the other darker shade. That kind of softened the look, I think, a little bit as well, making it a little bit more shimmery. I am going to go in with shade Burnt Orange, this one underneath my eyes, all over like my lower lash line, and then I think I'm gonna go in with the golden shade. Do you also look like this when you do your bottom lash line? You look crazy. Okay, so this shade did not really stick that well, and it got a little fallout-y. I'm just gonna wetten the brush a little. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's use this on the half of my eye. Why not? And then I'm going to go in with the shade Rose Pink again and use it in my inner corner. Okay, so I think the last touch on the eyeshadow is that I will once again go in with the dark brown and just use it a little bit on the outer edge to blend the top and the bottom pretty much. Yeah, that looks a lot better. I'm not gonna go in with any eyeliner today, but for lashes, obviously, I'm gonna go in with the Rouge and Rouge. I looked it up, and I think that is how you say it. Rouge and Rouge. I don't know. But I'm gonna use the style Miss Furry. For mascara, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara. I'm gonna go in with the Neve Cosmetics Natural Eyeliner in Illusion. It's like a light peach shade, kind of. And I'm just gonna use it in the waterline. And now it is time for the last step, and I'm thinking, should I go with like Pure Hollywood, or is that too light? Or should I go in with Hudson maybe? Let's try Pure Hollywood. It was so long ago since I used it, and it might be a little bit too light. I think it looks cute, right? Or should I try it with the beret to kind of hide the root? So this is the finished look, and I absolutely love it. I think it looks so cute, and I love it with the hair. It makes me really miss my silver hair. I will of course have this wig linked down below if any of you are interested. And also, as I said, in on my second channel, I have a vlog where I show like pretty much loads of clothes that I got. For example, this coat and also this bra actually. And my shoes actually. One second. Here, can you see them? Yeah, they're like thigh high and like super nice for just an everyday because they're flat. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up so I know that you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already. Duh, what are you doing? Also subscribe to my second channel if you'd like to see vlogs and stuff like that, maybe a little bit more of personal me. because Lynette. And yeah, I hope you have an amazing day, and I hope we will see each other in the next